Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 5 II. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Sony Xperia 5 II and also upcoming price of Sony Xperia 5 and also expected price of Sony Xperia 5 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 5 II. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android 10 OS, dimension 158 into 68 into 8.0 mm, weight 163 gram, SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM. Color black, gray, pink, blue. Here we have in frequency 2G band, SIM 1, GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. 3G band, HSDPA 800 slash 850 slash 900 slash 1700 slash 1900 slash 2100, and there also support 4G and 5G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz plus 3 into 2.42 GHz plus 4 into 1.8 GHz chipset, 12-ohm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 7 nanometer plus GPU Adreno 650. Here we have in display of technology OLED capacitive touch screen, 16 color, multi-touch, size 6.1 inches, resolution 1080 into 2520 pixel, 449 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6, extra featured STR-PT 2020 tri-luminous display, reality engine, 90 Hz refresh rate. Here we have in memory, built-in 128 by 256 GB, built-in 8 GB RAM, UFC card, micro SD card, support up to 1 terabyte. Here we have in camera, main triple camera, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus dual LED flash. Here we have in features HDR, eye tracking video. Here we have in front 8 megapixel HDR. Here we have in some connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 8.802.11 Wi-Fi direct hotspot V 5.0 with A2DP LE aptX HD USB 3.1 GPS yes a GPS port NFC yes data GPRS 3G HSPA 4G and also 5G capable. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, barometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, side mounted, gyro proximity, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack, speakerphone, browser, HTML5, messaging, SMS, email, MMS, push mail, games, built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, dynamic vibration system, glass front, glass back, Gorilla Glass 6, aluminum frame, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 4000 mAh fast charging, 21 watt, 50% in 30 minutes, USB power delivery 3.0. Here we have in price will be coming soon, but the expected price is 1,59,999. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.